Now, before we go further, there is this very little story. In the August, August comes because of the King Augustus. Namaste, guys. So today we'll be learning months in French language. Les mois. Just a second. Les mois de l'année. Now, les mois in French, les mois means months. All right, and l'année means year. All right, les mois de l'année. So let's just start. Janvier. Janvier. Now listen carefully. IER will give you a sound of EA. EA. All right. AN will give you a sound of on. In case if you speak Hindi, then it's on. Otherwise, it's on without an N. All right. And janvier, so it will become janvier. Now this will become février. Février, because see, there is no point if you cannot speak French language. All right, if my objective is to make you speak French language with correct pronunciation. All right, so février. Février. Very good. Now Mars. All right, Mars. It's just like Mars. All right, it's Mars. All right, Avril. It's Avril. Avril. All right, May. May. It is just like the English one. May. Juin. See, there is, now observe carefully. Juin. IN will give you a sound of an. For example, and. But if there is EN, it gives you a sound of on. Alright, so always keep in mind the difference between on and IN and on. Alright, juin means June. June. Alright, juillet. Juillet. It is July. Alright, août. It's not out, it's août. We will not going to pronounce A, but here A is correct. Alright, août. Août. Alright, now Septembre. Septembre. Now, before we go further, there is this very little story. In the August. August comes because of the King Augustus. Just search it. There is a very beautiful story about this if you are just interested. Otherwise, sept is like 7. Septembre. All right. Octobre. It's like octo. Octobre. October. All right. Novembre. Novembre. EM will give you a sound of ombre. All right. Décembre. Décembre. All right. This one. Décembre. So whenever we have this, it will give you a sound of A. All right, or A. A for apple. All right. Now there is one small example. Je suis né en mai. So whenever there is a month, always use EN. All right. I hope the idea is clear. Thank you. God bless you all.